Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So these are glitter markers. They are by this brand right here, which is WePaint. It has 48 colors. They are front and back, like they have it on top and bottom. They're bright colors, water-based, odorless, and quick drying. These are amazing. My kids have actually already opened them up and used them, which I'm going to be putting a clip in. But let me go ahead and show you like what they look like. So it's like this. And so you have these little pretty colors on both sides. So 48 all together. Very awesome. But let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with my kids using them. So this is my daughter, and she is coloring this beautiful picture. Let me see. Put your hanger out. You see how like glittery these are? Let me go ahead and show it in the light real quick. Like you can see all the glitter. Super pretty. So what do you think about them?
I like them because whenever you put it, it's like it looks like paint. And when you look at the other side, it's not there. It doesn't get on anything.
So you like the glitteriness of it?
Yeah.
They're so nice. It comes with all these different colors. Yeah. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.